Hello dear students of class 9. Today I am going to start chapter 6 simultaneous linear equations. This is video number first. Okay? Dear students, this is exercise 6A. Before proceeding, I want to clear the meaning of the simultaneous linear equation. First see here. Any equation which is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is said to be linear equation. Here you can see a, b, c are constants. Here a, b, c are constants. X and y are the variables. X and y are the variables. Now dear student, if we take any two linear equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then these two linear equations taken together, when taken together, are said to be simultaneous linear equations. Once again, I want to repeat this concept. This is a linear equation, this is also a linear equation. But when we take these equations together, then this equation is said to be simultaneous linear equation. My dear students, we have to use three methods to solve such type of problems. Number one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second method is elimination method. Elimination method. And third one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So dear students, to solve such type of simultaneous linear equations, we can use any one of the method, any one of the following methods. Here in this exercise, we will study about the substitution method. What is substitution method? What is elimination method? What is cross multiplication method? So, before discussing all these three methods, I am going to discuss only substitution method in this exercise. Substitution method is what? If this is the simultaneous linear equation, then consider this is first, this is second. My dear students, in substitution method, find out the value of any variable, either x or y, from any equation. But I am saying, find out the value of any variable, either x or y, from either first equation or the second equation. Let us suppose that we find out the value of variable x from equation number first. Then in the next step, substitute this value of variable x in equation number second, and after that solve it, find out the value of y. Now to explain all this concept, I am going to take some problems. Let us suppose that I am going to take first problem is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Consider that this is first equation. Next is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is second equation. My dear students, I have already told you this is simultaneous linear equation. Find out the value of any variable from any one equation. So I am going to find out the value of x from equation number first. So we have to write in this way. From equation number 1, 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. Then the value of x is 9 minus 5y upon 8. This is the value of x. We find this value of x from equation number first. Now substitute this value of the variable x in equation number second. Now substitute value of x in second. Second equation is what? 3 times of x. 3 times of x. In place of x, substitute 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Now simplify this expression. 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15 upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay? Now see, after taking LCM we can write it as 27 minus 15y, 8 2 are 16y upon 8 is equal to 4. This will become what? 27 plus y, 8 4s are 32. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 5. Now, here you can see in this simultaneous linear equation variable, there are two variables x and y. So, we have to find both the variables. Here, the value of y is 5. Then find out the value of x. What is x? See here, x is what? 9 minus 5y. Substitute the value of y here, which is 5 upon 8. 9 minus 25 upon 8. Okay? This is negative 16 upon 8, which is equal to negative 2. So in last, you have to write x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 and close the values of x and y in a bracket or in a rectangular box. This is the required answer. You have to write in this way in your exams. Now, see next problem. My dear students, please keep in your mind, in exercise 6A, we solve all the problems with the help of substitution method only. Let us take next problem. Problem number second. This is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is first equation. 5x plus y is equal to 9. This is second equation. Now, we have already discussed that in substitution method, we have to find out the value of any variable, either x or y, from any one of the following equation. If we find the value of the variable x from equation number first, then substitute that value of x in equation number second. And if we find out the value of the variable from equation number second, so let us suppose that we find out the value of x from equation number second, then substitute that value of variable in equation number first. Now see the solution from first. What I am going to do, I am going to find the value of the variable from equation number first. 2x is equal to what? 7 plus 3y. Then dear students, you can see what is the value of x. The value of x is 7 plus 3y divided by 2. This is the value of the variable x from equation number first. Now substitute this value of the variable in equation number second. Now substitute value of x in second. Now see, second equation is what? 5 times of x. In place of x, substitute this value. 7 plus 3y upon 2 plus y is equal to 9. Now simplify this expression. 5 7 is 35, 5 3 is 15y upon 2 plus y is equal to 9. After taking LCM, this expression will become 15y plus 2y, 2 9 is 18. Okay? This is what? 15, 35, 17y is equal to 18 minus 35. 18 minus 35. This is what? 17y is equal to negative 17. Okay? Then y is equal to what? Negative 1. Now, what is x? Here you can see x is what? 7 plus 3y upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus 3y. Y in place of y substitute negative 1 upon 2. This is what? 7 minus 3 upon 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 upon 2 is what? 2 2s are 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 1 is the required answer of this problem. Now, to explain more, I am going to take next problem, my dear students. Now see, problem number 9. This is what? 2 times of x minus 3 plus 3 times of y minus 5 is equal to 0. First simplify this equation. 2x, 2 3 is 6, 3y, 3 5 is 15 is equal to 0. On simplify we obtain what? 2x plus 3y minus 6 minus 15 is minus 21. When transferred to the right hand side we obtain what? Positive 21. So this is first equation. My dear students, please keep in mind that always convert the equation in this general form. Ax plus by is equal to c. Whenever you apply the substitution method, always convert the given equation in this general form. Ax plus by is equal to c. You can see ax plus by is equal to c. So this is first equation. Now see the second one. Second one is what? 5 times of x minus 1 plus 4 times of y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is 5x minus 5 plus 4y, 4 4 is 16 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 21. When we transfer minus 21 to the right hand side, we obtain positive 21. So this is second equation. Now, in the same way as we have discussed in question first and second, from first, I am going to find the value of the variable. X is what? From first x is what? 21 minus 3y upon 2. This is the value of x. Okay? Please see the way very carefully to solve such type of problems. Now, this is the value of x from equation number first. So now substitute this value in equation number second. So write down, substitute the value of x in equation number second. 5x. X is what? 21 minus 3y. 21 minus 3y upon 2. Okay? Plus 4y is equal to 21. Okay? Now simplify this. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15y upon 2 plus 4y is equal to 20. After taking LCM, we obtain what? 105 minus 15y, 2 4s are 8y, 21 2s are 42. Minus 15y plus 8y is negative 7y. 42 minus 105. See, 105 minus 42. 5 minus 2 is 3. 10 minus 4 is 6. Minus 7y is equal to minus 63. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 63. When divided by 7, we obtain what? 9. This is the value of y. Now what is x? X is 21 minus 3y upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 21 minus 3y upon 2, which is 21. 9 3s are 27 upon 2. This is what? This is negative 6. This is negative 6. 21 minus 27 upon 2, which is equal to what? Negative 3. So the value of x is negative 3 and the value of y is positive 9. Now, see one more question of this exercise, dear students. After that, the rest of the problems try yourself. Okay? And practice well to do best. See the next problem. Let us take question number 14 now. X upon 6 plus y upon 15 is equal to 4. In the previous video, I have already told you that always convert the given equation into the general form, and the general form is what? Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so see here, LCM is 30, 6 5s are 30, 15 2s are is equal to 4. So 5x plus 2y is equal to 30, 4s are 120. So this is first equation. Now see the second one. Second one is what? This is first equation. This one is first. Second equation is x upon 3 minus y upon 12 is equal to 4 whole 3 upon 4. 4 whole 3 upon 4. We can write it as 19 upon 4. Okay? Now, LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12, 4x minus y is equal to 19 upon 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 3s are 12. So equation number second is 4x minus y is equal to 57. This is equation number 7. Now see, from first, once again, from first, we find out the value of any variable, either x or y. Okay, x is equal to what? 120 minus 2y upon 5. Okay, Now we write, substitute this value of x in equation number second. Second equation is what? 4x. minus y is equal to 57. Now simplify this expression. This is 480 minus 8y upon 5 by taking LCM minus 5y. 57 multiplied with 5. This will become 285. Okay? Minus 13y. 285 minus 480. This will become what? See, 480 minus 285. 10 minus 5 is 5. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 195. Minus 13y is equal to negative 195. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 195 divided by 13. Y is equal to 15. So dear students, you can see the value of y is what? 15. Now what is x? X is here 120 minus 2y upon 5. So substitute the value of y here. So therefore x is equal to 120 minus 2 into 15 upon 5. This is 120 minus 30 upon 5. Okay? This is what? 90 upon 5. 5 1 5, 580. So the value of x is 18. Now dear student, I request you all, please solve all the problems. Okay? And I hope you understand well all these concepts which I have taught you today. Okay? Next video will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much.